from this video lecture we are going to discuss about the adolescence which is related to the drug abuse as well as alcohol. How adolescence are the age for the life of the human. It is responsible or more susceptible age or duration time period for drug or alcohol abuse, or we can say that addiction. How adolescents related to or susceptible to addiction, इस वीडियो में हम लोग इसी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So first of all let us discuss about the adolescence. What is the adolescence? इसका मीनिंग पहले जानते हैं. adolescence होता क्या है, उसके बाद हम लोग उसके आगे बढ़ेंगे. So adolescence is the age or time period, we can say that it is a period or process, a period or process. You can say it is a period or process for becoming mature from childhood, for becoming mature from childhood to adulthood. From childhood to adulthood. So this is a process or period for becoming mature from childhood to adulthood, and it is in what term? So in term of attitude and in term of attitude and for active participation and for active participation in society. So ऐसे पीरियड और प्रोसेस को इसके थ्रू द चाइल्डहुड बिकम्स adulthood, becomes converted to adulthood और चाइल्ड बिकम्स कन्वर्टेड टू एडल्ट. चाइल्ड जो है जिस प्रोसेस और टाइम पीरियड में एडल्ट में कन्वर्ट होते हैं, और किस टर्म में? इन टर्म ऑफ द एटीट्यूड. एटीट्यूड के टर्म में मीन्स उनका एटीट्यूड जो है चेंज हो जाता है रिलेटेड टू द सोशल बिहेवियर सोसाइटी, और इन टर्म ऑफ सोसाइटी एज वेल एज द other people, and also for effective participation in society. सोसाइटी में जो है पार्टिसिपेशन जो है इंक्रीज हो जाता है एडल्ट सिचुएशन में जाने के बाद. तो इस तरह का चेंज जिस टाइम पीरियड में या फिर जो है प्रोसेस के थ्रू होता है उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एडोलसेंस. एंड we can also say something other things about the adolescence, that adolescence is adolescence is the bridge between childhood and adulthood. Between the childhood and adulthood, the adolescence act as a bridge. ये लिंकिंग ब्रिज का काम करता है. लिंकिंग ब्रिज The linking bridge means चाइल्डहुड को एडल्टहुड से कनेक्ट करने का काम, जोड़ने का काम जो है एडोलसेंस ही करता है। मीन्स नो वन कैन कन्वर्टेड फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड टू एडल्टहुड विदाउट एडोलसेंस। बिना एडोलसेंस के जो है कोई भी चाइल्डहुड से एडल्टहुड में कन्वर्ट नहीं होता। एंड द एज that belongs to adulthood, adolescence, it is 12 to 18 years. 12 to 18 year of age is said for the adolescence. ये adolescence का एज माना जाता है। Now let us start the main topic, that is influence are more influensive in the age of adolescence। एडोलसेंस के एज में जो है, जो मेन ड्रग एब्यूज का टॉपिक है, ये एडोलसेंस के एज में ज़्यादा जो है ससेप्टेबल होता है फॉर पीपल। तो कौन कौन से फैक्टर हैं फॉर ससेप्टेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्रग एब्यूज और एडिक्शन इन एडोलसेंस, as well as how we can prevent it from these addiction, we will discuss in later part. So first of all, let us discuss about addiction. What is addiction and how it begins in adolescence age or in any kind of age, but mostly addiction begins in adolescence age। adolescence age में ही mostly जो है addiction start होता है। So first of all, let us discuss about the addiction। So addiction can be defined as a psychological attachment to certain effects, a psychological effect, a psychological attachment to certain effect, such as these effects are what? Such as euphoria। Euphoria is a situation such as euphoria associated with drug or alcohol abuse। So addiction is a psychological attachment to certain effect in body, and in this effect, one of the effect is euphoria। Euphoria is a instant excitement or instant pleasure or excitement created in the body। It is the situation called euphoria। ऐसे situation को हम euphoria बोलते हैं। प्रसन्न, बॉडी को जो है प्रसन्नचित कर देने वाला सिचुएशन को यूफोरिया कहते हैं। सो इट इज द अटैचमेंट, साइकोलॉजिकल अटैचमेंट टू दिस इफेक्ट ऑफ यूफोरिया विच इज ड्यू टू ड्रग एज वेल एज एल्कोहल एब्यूज। ड्रग और एल्कोहल एब्यूज की वजह से ये एक सर्टेन इफेक्ट के प्रति बॉडी का जो अटैचमेंट होता है, साइकोलॉजिकल अटैचमेंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड एडिक्शन। एडिक्शन उसी को हम बोलते हैं। एंड द एडिक्शन ड्राइव पीपल टू टेक ड्रग एंड एल्कोहल व्हेन दे आर यूज। द एडिक्शन ड्राइव पीपल टू टेक ड्रग एंड alcohol when they are used is destructive. The people who are addicted when their use is self-destructive. Means the people know about the effect of drug as well as alcohol as self-destructive, but after knowing this, the addiction, due to addiction, the people have it right to take this drug as well as alcohol. अल्कोहल और ड्रग को जो है ये एडिक्शन की वजह से ऐसा होता है कि सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्टिव होने के बावजूद भी जो है पीपल आर नॉट रिमेन प्रिवेंटेड बाय टेकिंग ड्रग एज वेल एज अल्कोहल। अल्कोहल और ड्रग लेने से बचे नहीं रह सकते ड्यू टू एडिक्शन, एडिक्शन की वजह से, क्योंकि इनके पास एक साइकोलॉजिकल अटैचमेंट होता है उसके लिए। And the next thing about the addiction as regular addiction make the people dependence. So addiction and dependence, these are also the two things interconnected to each other. Addiction make the people dependence over the drug as well as the alcohol or anything. Addiction make the people dependent. And how or why addiction make the people dependence over the drug as well as alcohol? So the reason behind this dependency, it is due to the withdrawal symptoms. यहाँ पे होता क्या है? Due to addiction, the people get withdrawal symptom if frequently or instantly. It is uh, the if the addicted people turn off the sequence of taking the drug as well as alcohol for short duration, the people suffer from some symptoms which is known as withdrawal symptom, which is very serious for that people, addictive people के लिए जो symptom होते हैं ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा severe होते हैं. So due to or from the to prevent from these symptoms, withdrawal symptom, the people are not people जो होते हैं वो उस एब्यूज्ड और एब्यूज को वो जो है छोड़ नहीं पाते. सो दिस इज द रीजन द एडिक्शन मेक द पीपल डिपेंडेंस. इसी की वजह से जो पीपल होते हैं वो डिपेंडेंस हो जाते हैं, मतलब बिना उसके जो है रह नहीं पाते, they becomes dependence. Now the next thing about the addiction, it is how the addiction get in a person or in the people. किसी भी people में कैसे addiction जो है acquire होता है और how the addiction begins in the people. तो beginning के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. The factor for beginning of addiction. How is how addiction begins in the people. So there are many things which are or many factors which are responsible to start the addiction in the people. One of the things it is here we will discuss some factors which are responsible for addiction. One is the curiosity. Curiosity is one of the cause for having addiction in people, as in newspaper, movies, serials, television, advertisement in television, the people get excited to feel the activity of that drug as well as alcohol. तो उसको फील करने के लिए दे want to have that drug as well as alcohol, and after taking drug as well as alcohol they feel the effect of drug as well as alcohol and need more and more amount of drug as well as alcohol. So curiosity is one of the factor to begin the addiction in the people. The other, it is the need for adventure. Need for adventure. Adventure is one of the effect of drug as well as alcohol. So due to that need, the people get addicted for drug as well as alcohol. The next it is the excitement. The excitement to know about the effect of drug as well as alcohol. It is also responsible for the beginning of alcohol as well as drug. The next is experimentation. So during experimentation of taste, flavor as well as some other things, as in company where the products are made, the peoples are kept to check the taste to do the experiment. So that experimentation also responsible to for beginning. Experiment also responsible for beginning. And the next, that is the pleasure. तो कुछ केसेस में क्या होता है, फॉर प्लेजर, स्मॉल टाइम के प्लेजर के लिए जो लिया जाता है ड्रग, सो फॉर दैट प्लेजर द बॉडी गेट रिक्वायर्ड मोर एंड मोर अमाउंट, और जब ज़्यादा अमाउंट में बॉडी जो है डिमांड करने लगती है, तो ऐसे केस में द एडिक्शन बिकम्स द डिपेंडेंस. So this is also a cause for a factor to start this. And next thing is to escape from frustration and depression. As in the case of student life, because adolescence is the age of student life. So in that situation, the frustration of failure as well as depression is also demand by the people to have drug as well as alcohol. So in that situation also the beginning of addiction may start, and then the other reason is the lack of family support. If the family of the people not supportive, so the people feel monopoly, means सिंगल रहने का जो है, और नो नॉट सपोर्ट लीड्स टू द making some steps or taking some steps to become independent. Independent होने के लिए जो है, due to lack of family support, the people also get affected by the addiction or start the addiction. Next thing is the peer pressure. If the friend circle have addiction, means ऐसे फ्रेंड सर्कल है जिसमें फ्रेंड्स जो है दे आर एडिक्टिव, सो दे क्रिएट अ प्रेशर टू हैव ड्रग एज वेल एज एल्कोहल। तो ऐसे में वो जो है प्रेशर क्रिएट करते हैं टू टेक ड्रग एज वेल एज एल्कोहल। सो दीज आर द फैक्टर, डिफरेंट फैक्टर in that responsible for the beginning of addiction in the people में एडिक्शन के स्टार्ट करने के लिए ये सारे फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल। एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट दैट इज अबाउट द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ एडिक्शन, हाउ वी कैन रिमेन प्रिवेंटेड फ्रॉम एडिक्शन। So there are a number of ways by which the person or the people of the society can remain prevented from addiction. And out of the preventive measure, one of the preventive measure it is taken by the doctor and physician who prescribe the types of drug which are addictive. एडिक्टिव ड्रग जो है, जो भी प्रेस्क्राइब करने वाले डॉक्टर होते हैं उनको स्टेप लेना चाहिए दैट द डॉक्टर एंड फिजिशियन नीड टू और शुड prescribe the drug only to the person who actually require that medicine or drug। मीन्स ऐसे पर्सन को जिसको उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, who require to treat some problem, ऐसे पर्सन को ही एडवाइस करना चाहिए। And the other preventive measure as by the social worker and policeman, when they if they find the drug abuser, they should inform the parent of the drug abuser, so the parent get alert and start to take a step to prevent or to recover from addiction for that people। And the other preventive measure involve as parents should also watch the children for addiction। अगर कोई एडिक्शन का सिम्टम दिखाई देता है तो पेरेंट को उसको वॉच करना चाहिए एंड आल्सो स्टार्ट टू टेक एक्शन टू कोप विद दैट सिचुएशन। ऐसे सिचुएशन से बचने के लिए तुरंत एक्शन लेने की जरूरत होती है। सो दीज आर द प्रिवेंटिव मेजर or prevention used to prevent from addiction। So this is the some of the topic related to adolescence and drug abuse as well as addiction, and the remaining topic we will discuss in the next part of video.